Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Egadget, your go-to channel for honest, no-fluff product reviews. I'm your host, and today we are talking about something a little different from our usual gadget lineup. But trust me, this one matters just as much as any piece of tech you'll ever buy. We're reviewing the Sleep by Wayfair 12-inch Medium Memory Foam Mattress. A good mattress is literally the foundation of your entire day. So the real question is, does this one actually deliver on its promises, or is it just another overhyped product? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to make the right call. Let's start with the basics. The Sleep by Wayfair 12-inch memory foam mattress is a medium feel mattress, which means it sits right in the sweet spot between plush softness and firm support. It's not too soft where you feel like you're sinking into a cloud, and it's not too firm where you feel like you're sleeping on the floor. For most sleepers, whether you sleep on your back, side, or stomach, medium feel is generally considered the most versatile and widely recommended option. Now, this mattress features a full 12-inch profile, which is generous by industry standards. That extra height means more foam layers, which translates directly to better support and durability over time. Right out of the box, the mattress comes vacuum sealed and compressed, which makes delivery and setup incredibly straightforward. It expands to its full size within a few hours. Simple, clean, no hassle. Now let's talk about how this mattress is actually built, because design and quality really do matter here. The first thing you notice is the knit cover. It's smooth, clean, and has a tailored finish that honestly looks premium for this price point. It doesn't feel cheap or plasticky. It feels structured and well put together. The cover also plays a functional role here, and we'll get into that more in a second. Looking at the side profile, the 12-inch height is clearly visible, and the foam layers are tightly constructed without any visible gaps or inconsistencies. The edges feel solid as well, which is great because a lot of budget mattresses tend to fall apart at the edges pretty quickly. The overall build quality here gives you the confidence that this isn't just a mattress that looks good in photos, it's physically well made. For a mid-range price tag, the construction here really punches above its weight class. Alright, this is the section everyone comes for. How does it actually feel to sleep on? The memory foam layers in this mattress are genuinely responsive. When you press your hand into it, you can feel it contouring to the shape of your hand almost immediately. That same principle works for your entire body when you lie down. The foam adapts to your body shape and redistributes your weight evenly across the surface. What that means practically is that pressure points, like your hips, shoulders, and lower back, are being supported rather than compressed. I tested this mattress in all three primary sleep positions. On my back, the lumbar support felt natural and well aligned. On my side, the shoulders sank in just enough without putting strain on the joints. On my stomach, the surface remained supportive without any uncomfortable bowing in the midsection. The medium feel really shines here because it provides that blend of cushioning and firmness that most sleepers need. If you deal with pressure point discomfort or back pain, this type of adaptive foam support can genuinely make a difference. Two of the most common complaints about memory foam mattresses are heat retention and motion transfer, and Wayfair has specifically addressed both of these here. The breathable knit cover isn't just decorative. It actively promotes airflow across the surface of the mattress, which helps prevent that classic memory foam issue of sleeping hot. During testing, the surface temperature remained noticeably more comfortable compared to traditional dense foam mattresses. As for motion transfer, this is where the responsive foam construction truly earns its place. When I tested movement on one side of the mattress, the other side remained almost completely undisturbed. If you share a bed with a partner who tosses and turns, this is a huge advantage. You're not going to be woken up every time they roll over. It's a thoughtful design choice that makes a real difference in sleep quality for couples or light sleepers. So here's the bottom line. The Sleep by Wayfair 12-inch Medium Memory Foam Mattress is a genuinely solid buy. You get a 12-inch profile with adaptive memory foam support, a breathable knit cover, excellent motion isolation, and a medium feel that works for almost every type of sleeper. It's built well, it looks clean, and it delivers on the core promise of a comfortable, undisturbed night's sleep. If you're in the market for a new mattress and you don't want to spend a fortune without sacrificing quality, this one absolutely deserves to be on your shortlist. I'm giving it a strong recommendation, especially for couples, back sleepers, and anyone dealing with pressure point discomfort. The link to check pricing and availability is in the description below. That's it for today's review on Egadget. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a review. Drop your questions or your own experience with this mattress in the comments. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.